up for sale today, we got another almost replica twin of the other 70 Nova SS that we had. So anyway, 1970 Nova SS triple black factory L78 cart, which is the 396 375 horsepower. This has power brakes, power steering, a nicer paint than the last one we had. The other one didn't have power steering, this one does. It currently has a 396 from 1968 to 69, also 375 horsepower, so this is a big boy. Its paint is nicer than the last one. I don't know if I said that already. The beautiful moon caps. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, by the way, it helps me out. You know, it takes a couple seconds, you subscribe. You can see more of my videos as they come out, more of the cars. My website is now live, nextgenclassiccars.com. Check it out. So like I said, factory L78 car, SS, 4-speed, bucket seats, black interior. Very nice interior. The nice shifter. The carpet is nice. No rips, no tears on the seats. Back seat, again, like the last one, doesn't even look like it was sat on. Doors open and close nice. The glass black paint. It's all there. 12-bolt rear with Posi. The trunk, as you see in the pictures, is finished in its factory speckle paint. No rust, all original. Chrome is excellent. Oh, I didn't close the door. My brand new shoes. The nice door panel. I'm telling you, this car is all there. Previous owner of 45 years. I forgot to mention that. Previous owner of 45 years who actually bought it from his father new at the factory. So, one family owned. The glass is excellent. Look at that mirror. Four-speed, 396, 375 horsepower. Trim, excellent. Black paint. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Gorgeous hubcaps. Gorgeous chrome. It'll be for sale soon. There are a couple little, seems to look like a couple of dings in this. Interesting, but check it out. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Driving video coming soon. Thank you for watching.
Drew.
Hey.
We are in a 1970 Nova SS with the 396 4-speed factory SS factory 396 car. Factory black. With power steering.
Power brakes.
Power brakes? Okay. It's a very nice original car. It was bought new in Pennsylvania, and the first owner owned it for 5 years. His son owned it for 45 years. And we just got it in from a friend of ours. Paint's very nice. Body's nice and straight. No bubbles, no rust. Undercarriage is very nice and clean. Interior is nice. A lot of new interior parts. Trunk is good. Got a 375 horse motor. Performs well. Shifts nice.
Unless you miss a gear.
Steers and stops nice. I don't know. Did I miss one?
Yeah, you missed one here.
It's a close ratio transmission. There we go. Very nice all-around car. It's going to be priced right.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you.